So this Harmonic bouncer will need to come off. The bolt needs to come out. If you're doing your timing chain, you should have all your pulleys off and this Harmonic bouncer off. You can save you some time by getting a special tool off eBay or somewhere, or get the power steering pump. I think it's pump puller, steering wheel puller, something that you can order. You can Google and it'll pull it off pretty good too. Sometimes you can use a 3-jaw puller. That's what we're using today. One of these, and sometimes that brings them off too. It just depends on how lucky you are and how much pain you want it to be when we're moving it. You buy the actual tool, it removes. Very simple.
I didn't do mine.
So this is the 3-jaw puller, and that's how we got it. It's bringing it out, as you can see.
It's getting it back right there.
It's that simple to pull your harmonic bouncer off using a 3-jaw puller without the special tools. It may take a little finessing to get it in, but it works. You seen us just do it. What you did not get to see, as you can see behind me, the engine is green now. It's also got a car harmonic bouncer in it, a new front seal, aftermarket oil pan. Those videos are coming to the channel very soon, so get subscribed if you're new here. If you enjoy LS engines, or just enjoy a small YouTuber building his motors in his backyard on his front porch, subscribe to that if you're new. I enjoy, hearing from everyone, so leave a comment too. But if you found it helpful, let me know too. Yeah. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.